There's the old muffler. We chopped it off, tossed it in the back, but that's what was on it. They had rigged the ever-loving crap out of it. So we chopped it all off, put a 50 on it, and opened her up. So let you guys hear it in a second.
So you guys saw it before. That's how it was being after we fixed it. Look at that, much cleaner. That's how it should have been done. I don't know what they were thinking doing it the other way around, but it's so much better compared to whatever this thing is. Complete disaster. It's a muffler off of a 99 like GMC, and then they did a wide pipe contraption, and this is the best part. That was off the headers. What's the point of long tube headers if you're gonna choke them with 1.5-inch pipe? That's insane. That's what it looks like now. We put 2 high flow cats in its place, there and there. There's the long tube headers. It's a 1978 Camaro. Left everything else the same for now. He's gonna bring it back later on, and we'll do the rest of the system. As you guys can see, we got 2 tailpipes, angle cut, probably like 20 years old. There and there, but we cleaned up the main part that was choking the car. At least now it's breathing, as you guys can see. So it looks a lot better, a lot nicer. 1978 Camaro came out a lot nicer, a lot cleaner now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Now you know. 78 Camaro with true duals, high flow cats, straight piped. Much better. It's actually breathing now. Here's sound decibels. 115 again. Compared to this contraption that was on it. Go ahead and back it out. Clean body on the car. Not bad at all. It's really clean. You guys can see. She sounds good now. We got a nice pop to it. Nice side. Let you guys hear on the inside. Camaro 1978.